Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Glory be to God. Is your girl Jennifer, and you are highly welcome back to my channel. To my returnees, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are the best. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, why not consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys, if you want to see how I prepared this goat meat delicious fried rice you are seeing here right now, keep watching this video, don't skip it. Thank you so much. God bless. Okay guys, I will start by pouring my stock, my goat meat stock, to my pot guys, and allow it to boil for few minutes. Okay guys, here I will be pouring my already washed rice to my stock that is in my pot already. Then I will be adding a little bit of salt. Then I will add some seasoning cube. I will add 2 seasoning cube. Okay guys, I will give it a stir, then I will cover it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends how you want your rice to be cooked, guys. Keep watching. Okay guys, here is after 20 minutes of cooking, our rice is ready, as you can see. Yeah, okay guys. Okay guys, here is my pan. I'm just adding some oil, some vegetable oil, to fry my onions and my vegetable I'm going to use for the fried rice, guys. Keep watching. Thank you guys. Okay guys, our onions is fried now, is a little bit translucent. I'm just going to add my bell pepper, my red and yellow green bell pepper, and there is some habanero pepper on it too guys, as you can see here right now. I'm just going to fry it so it can steam a little bit together. Keep watching guys. Thank you. Okay guys, I steam my vegetable for 3 minutes, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and add my goat meat, my fried goat meat, to the vegetable. I will stir everything together, just give it a mix guys. I'll mix everything together. Guys, can't you see it's coming out looking yummy and delicious, guys? Keep watching guys. Okay guys, I will leave it for 2 minutes to steam. I want everything to steam together. We'll be back guys. Okay guys, this is after 2 minutes of steaming. I'll go ahead and add my already cooked rice to my vegetables. After adding my rice, I'm going to mix everything together, as you can see what I'm doing here right now guys. So yeah, I'm just mixing everything together. I'm just giving it a very good mix so everything will be well combined. Guys, just take a good look at this yummy yeah. It's looking so nice and look very delicious guys. Can't you feel it guys? Take a good look at it. Very nice. Keep watching, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, after I mixed everything together, after I combined everything together, I find out that I need to add a pinch of salt, as you can see here right now. So I just added a little bit of salt so the taste can be yummy. Keep watching, guys. It's almost ready. Our goat meat fried rice is almost ready. I'll just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes so the salt can absorb inside the rice. Then our rice is ready, guys. Okay, guys, our goat meat fried rice is ready, guys. Guys, can't you see this rice is so beautiful? The way it's beautiful, that is the way is yummy too, guys. Can you see it? Very beautiful. Looks so nice. I can't wait to eat this, guys. Guys, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Share it with your friends and your family. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to know. To my returning subscribers, always thank you always for sticking around to watch my video. I so much appreciate you all. If you are watching this video right now, please don't forget to share this video out so people can see this yummy goat meat fried rice. Thank you, guys. If you want me to do something else in this channel, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Thank you, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, everyone.